Reef is a DeFi stage based on Polkadot, fully intent on being direct, without the hindrances and entanglements tracked down on different stages. They express a mission of making DeFi simple and open to additional individuals, and have planned their foundation accordingly. On Reef, clients can perform cross-facet exchanging thanks to how Reef chain coordinates with DeFi from Ethereum, Polkadot, Torrential Slide, Universe, and Binance Brilliant Chain. As per the group, Reef chain is considerably more high-level than Ethereum. For example, it has a higher exchange throughput and low exchange charges, and is more productive with blockchain storage. On top of exchanging, clients can port their DeFi applications from Ethereum to the Reef chain without changing their strength code, and soon will approach a liquidity span where they can wrap existing DeFi resources and move liquidity from Ethereum to the Reef chain. Reef is the local badge of Reef money, and as will before long cover down underneath, is utilized for administration and gas expenses. It is of late sent off on Binance, and is accessible on numerous DES. Reef value expectation for the following 10 days. Underneath, we investigate Reef and look at certain subtleties and expectations to gauge a sensible cost for 2021, as well with respect to the impending years. It ought to be noticed that while value expectations depend on information, and frequently are broke down by man-made intelligence, they ought to never be taken as monetary counsel or a strong reason for a speculation. It is in every case enthusiastically suggested clients do their own examination into the tasks whose tokens they wish to put resources into. The entire crypto world is on an edge of a total breakdown. Bitcoin has fallen 75% from its unsurpassed high in the midst of more extensive market declines brought about by seething expansion, and US took care of rate climbs. At the point when add the latest implosions of enormous industry players into the situation, the horizon is dinky and there will be more blood in the city of the crypto town. Financial backers are selling hazardous resources and moving into additional steady business sectors. Crypto is as yet seen as an extremely hazardous play, and consequently the auction. Our algo still sees some green in 2023, particularly in the second piece of the year. This is reflected in our 2023 forecasts. At the present time, Bitcoin needs to find a base before we can move the other way and alter the course. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will begin to do likewise. We have seen this situation many times in the far-off and later history. Our cost expectation model is negative for the following 90 days, with a smidgen of a positively trending market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2. We expect whales and other greater players in the market to wrap up filling their packs around that time, which will cause an ordinary and unexpected crypto spike. Group made a cost expectation model with a multi-layered way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized examination and principal evaluation of each undertaking. Essentials that we assess are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, advertising endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and theoretical potential, and a few other restrictive variables created in our crypto lab. 2023-01-26 plus 4.54% $0 0034 2023 01 27 plus 8.11% $0 0035 2023 01 28 plus 2.29% $0 0033 2023 01 29 plus 5.95% $0 0034 2023 01 300.61% $0 0032 2023 01 31 plus 4.75% $0 0034 2023 02 01 plus 2.88% $0 0033 2023 02 02 0.31% $0 0032 2023 02 031.79% $0 0032 2023 02 04 plus 3.60% $0 is the local cash of Reef, and it is utilized for on-chain administration with NPOS and POC. By partaking in administration through marking, clients can acquire prizes in return. Moreover, they can be utilized for exchange expenses on the stage, which can prove to be useful for stakers who procure compensations in Reef. The token is likewise accessible as ERC20 on Ethereum and Binance Shrewd Chain, and will be made convertible one-to-one with local Reef chain token. Reef was established by Chief Denko Manchesky in 2020. Since early on, Denko was into maths, serious gaming, and PC sciences. He began programming in secondary school, and would contend in algorithmic rivalries for a couple of years prior to moving into business programming improvement and working for big business and medical care tech companies. Being entranced by fintech, he was keen on blockchain innovation from the beginning, and saw its true capacity after seeing the trouble of development in fintech by virtue of overregulation and immersion in the industry. Reef was conceived when he saw specific issues in the DeFi space, issues like intricacy and specialized constraints. He set up what he depicted collectively of able people with the capacity to execute, and accordingly, Reef came to be. Their organization and group data can be seen on their LinkedIn. And for news and updates, the group transfers brief recordings on their blog page on Medium. Right now, Reef can be exchanged on about 26 exchanges, and there are no less than 5 well-known and believed wallets in which clients can store their REFs. Reef Value Forecast 2023. Our expectation model sees a transitory change to a bear market toward the start of 2023. Proceeding, we move on to one more advantage in Q3 and Q4 of 2023. 2023 Feb 16.52% $0 0027 2023 Blemish 28.48% $0 0023 2023 APRA 26.56% $0 0024 2023 May 21.43% $0 0025 2023 June 15.84% $0 0027 2023 Joel 10.62% $0 0029 2023 Og 2.44% $0 0031 2023 Sep 6.01% $0 0030 2023 Oct 1.00% $0 0032 2023 NOF plus 4.68% $0 0034 2023 DEC plus 9.44% $0 0035 2024 Jan plus 18.80% $0 Money Market Value Forecast. Our forecast model sees Reef arriving at new highs in 2025. 1 cent. What will Reef be worth in 5 years? The cost of Reef money in 5 years could lie around $0. What Reef will be worth in 2030? Our estimating model sees Reef coming to 3 cents in 2030. What Reef will be worth in 2040? Our gauging model sees Reef coming to 6 cents in 2040. Will Reef supplant, outperform, surpass Bitcoin? No, Reef won't supplant or surpass BTC. Will Reef reach 10 cents? Indeed, conceivable Reef can reach 10 cents yet just in the separated future, after 2030. Is Reef worth purchasing? We are promoters of modestly dangerous money management. Put the vast majority of your crypto portfolio in BTC, 35% in a bushel of enormous cap coins and the rest in little tasks with gigantic potential gain. Along these lines, in this specific circumstance, Reef merits purchasing. Is Reef a wise speculation? Reef is, very much like any remaining cryptographic forms of money, an unsafe speculation. It has higher likelihood of going up than down in view of the great use case, very much planned tokenomics, dynamic local area and a strong group behind it. What amount will Reef be worth? For the transient future, it could reach $0. In the long haul, it could leap to 3 cents or much higher. For what reason will Reef succeed and become more expensive?